Okay, so now let's talk about how to actually insert trading indicators on TradingView. So there is this tab over here called indicators. Click on this and you can actually, there are a few categories of indicators. Some is maybe indicators that you have clicked favorite, right? Some are built-in indicators into TradingView. Some is a public library where people have, create their own custom indicators and uploaded it to TradingView for anyone to use. And some on my scripts is a pretty much indicator that you have actually scripted yourself. Okay, so let's just go to public library, and that's where you'll pretty much find all the free indicators and maybe moving average, right? Let's search moving average. So you can see that there are different types of moving average over here. So you can see that below over here there are like 7 likes, 161 likes, 65 likes. These are moving average that has been custom coded, right? So you can see that these are actually created by other people and not from the default TradingView database. So if you want to use the default ones, right, just go to the ones on top. There's the exponential, the weighted, smooth, right, and just a simple moving average, right? So just click on this. Okay, you can see that there is a moving average on your chart. Again, right, the indicators can be customized to your liking, right? Just go to this settings over here, or you just double click on the indicator, and this settings box would appear, right? Maybe you want a 20 period moving average, that's fine. You can use either the open, high, low, close, or HL2, HLC3, open, high, low, close 4. It's up to you. You can choose your style, what color you want, whether it's orange, maybe you want red, okay, like this. Right click OK. You can see that there you can just play around with the indicators. So if you are just not sure what indicators you're looking for, right, just type in maybe even a short form, right? Like maybe you have a instead of moving average, convergence, divergence, just type MACD. You can find something. Even CCI, there is something ROC, right? You have the rate of change. So again, just type in something like how you do a Google search, and most likely you'll be able to find the indicators that you're looking for. And if you can even go to the public library, right, over here they pretty much have ranked, right, the so-called most popular indicators, right, based on number of likes, right? Like this one got almost like 50,000 likes, right? Okay, so you can just play around with all these indicators which are very popular here on TradingView, and that's actually how you actually insert indicators. You can insert a few, I think, right? Let's say for example I insert the RSI, okay, relative strength index, right? It appears at the bottom. Again, this one the settings, right? Just double click or click on this settings over here, okay, and again you can adjust the RSI indicator to your own preference, and that's how you actually insert indicators to your TradingView charts. And if you want to save your template, right, remember you can just go to here. You can either like rename this to, let's say, I don't know, indicators template, or you want to create a new template, just go to here, new chart layout, right? Then you insert your relevant indicators and then save it as indicators template. That is fine as well. Okay, so that's how you go about it.